Kylie with Ceres Greenhouse Solutions, and for our Grow Series today, we are in a 30 by 40 high yield kit Ceres greenhouse with Meredith, who grows here. And today we're going to talk a little bit about what Meredith grows and how. So Meredith, tell us a little bit about your greenhouse and where you are, sort of the history of it.
Yeah, sure. So we are in Colorado at about 7,000 feet. And it is late May. So the greenhouse, as you can kind of see behind us, is in full force. Most of these plants went in the ground in February, and for me it's really a hobby. This is all about kind of growing food for myself and my family, and I just really enjoy gardening, so that's why I do it.
So what sorts of stuff are you growing in your greenhouse?
Yeah, so this greenhouse, I've kind of laid it out and designed it so we're growing everything from annuals, which you can see kind of all around us, to kind of subtropical tropical plants, and then plenty of herbs and edible flowers, and yeah, a little bit of everything.
How much of your food comes from the greenhouse? How much are you able to produce?
Yeah, so it depends a little bit on the season. So obviously in winter things slow down, and I have lots of kale greens and carrots and herbs and flowers. But as we move into spring and summer and fall, the production level goes way up. So now that we're in spring, you can actually see here, we just cleared out this bed. This was all fava beans and peas, and we had a huge harvest of all of that. And then if you look at the beds here, we're starting to get into more of the summer annuals. So lots of tomatoes and some melons, edible flowers, and then kind of behind me here are the roots. So beets and carrots and leeks and other things. So I'd say when we get into the summer, pretty much the vast majority of the produce comes out of this greenhouse. And then in the winter, things that I can or store in some way will carry us through to some degree. And then, some things we can grow in the winter we'll keep eating from here. But a good amount of the produce.
Awesome.
Yeah.